in the Middle East was not entirely unexpected. In fact, we had foreshadowed this escalation, and the government under the Honorable Prime Minister has been consistently and periodically reviewing the situation, including the possibility of the closure of the Straits of Hormuz. And as I have mentioned earlier, we had diversified the sources of supply, and out of the 5.5 million barrels of crude oil that India consumes daily, about 1.5 and 2 million only come through the Straits of Hormuz. We import roughly 4 million barrels through other routes, and our companies, the oil marketing companies, have enough stocks. Most of them have stocks up to 3 weeks. One of them has, in fact, 25 days stocks. And we are also confident that we can increase the supply of crude through other routes should the situation so warrant. We are in touch with all possible actors in this, the supply routes, etc. And I believe that there is no cause for any alarm on this score. Of course, we will be watching the unfolding situation, and the Honorable Prime Minister has already spoken with all the major leaders. He's had a long conversation with the President of Iran also, and calling for de-escalation. It is our hope, and all of us are expecting that the situation will result in calm and de-escalation rather than further escalation. But meanwhile, we continue to be prepared to meet the evolving situation. See, it's very difficult. It's very difficult to speculate on the price factor. The oil price for a long time was between 65 and 70. Then it was between 70 and 75. Today is a Sunday. When the markets open tomorrow, then the consequences of the closure of the Straits of Hormuz will be factored in. But as I've been saying for a long time, there is enough oil available in the global markets. More and more oil is coming on the global markets, particularly from the Western Hemisphere. And even the traditional suppliers would be interested in keeping the supplies on because they also need the revenue. So hopefully the market will factor that in. But as I said, the Modi government has over the past several years not only ensured the stability of supplies but also affordability. And we will take all necessary measures to ensure that. Thank you.